Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Karo JJ kama kawaida, and today I'm here with another interesting video. So guys, today we are going to do something like it is something like that I hate, but I have to do it. So nenda kuwasha jiko. I'm going to nini jiko, then I want to boil beans. Yeah, so let's prepare the jiko, tuweke makaa, then tuashe. It is my worst job because I don't like it, but I'm going to try. Let's see wash it. So guys, as you can see here, I have my jiko inafanieke makaa, then niashe. So acha tuweke makaa. And guys, before we proceed, here I have my charcoal. I'm going to break it into pieces, then because you can't ashana hii, like you can't. Hii yote itaka sangapi unless you are using nini kerosene, but I'm not using kerosene. I'm going to use the peppers to wash out the jiko, like, yeah. So hope you understand. Yeah, so let me break the charcoal into pieces, ndio at least nikiasha ishike haraka. Yeah, this is something that I do try. I normally do. It's just too because it's my worst thing, like my worst job. I don't like it, but I normally do it. So let's break the charcoal, then tuzipanga hapo hiyo. So guys, makaa ndio hii iko ready. So I have to break it. Nothing here, the bare hands. So I have to arrange my charcoal here, and guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use this one. Nenda kutumia hii kuwasha. Then I have here my matchbox. Yeah. So just find it. You don't need much kuwasha, enough unasha na kidogo because I'm not using the kerosene. You know kerosene dinakonga faster. Yeah. Since I break, I can break this. And this. Guys, what do you use? Me, I do use the carrier bags because I don't have kerosene. Yeah. Hey, the worst job. Let's try to it in how many minutes, like after how many minutes ndio itakuwa ready imeaka, then tuende tuchague our beans. Yeah. We ni kubaya. Ebu turn the camera fast. You see, I'm straining here. I'm straining a lot. Ebu see. 5 minutes imeisha, bado iko hivi. Itaka sangapi? Anyway, let me give it time. Where? Guys, it seems like our jiko is ready now. Ikishika the both sides, cause munaona after imeshika hapa, I don't have stress now cause ishashika, ita spread. So let's pick the beans, then tukirudi itakuwa ready. Let's pick the beans together. So guys, this is my beans. Hope zinaka smart, zinaka safi. Yeah, so you can see naenda tu kupitia kidogo to see vitu tu zimebaki kama hutu haka. This is what I'm going to remove. These vitu tu tudogo hivi, then jiko yetu itakuwa ready. Tuwekele our beans. And how many hours do you guys cook your beans? Me, I'm going to use at least 1 hour to boil these beans. So, and mostly I prefer yellow beans. I don't know you, but me personally situmiangi hizo zingine, but I do prefer the yellow beans. Ziko best sana. I like them. So let's pick together. So guys, our beans is ready. We start it. Yeah, as you can see the cream, and then it's same to our jiko. So also ready. So let's wash the beans, then to get to the jiko. hii ni heater, tunachemsha maji ndio tuweke, ndio at least ichemke haraka so that it boils faster. So let's heat the water in the heater. Our jiko is ready, so let's add some charcoals. Yeah, and this time now you can add big charcoal. Yeah, because those small charcoals zinakwanga za kuwasha so that you don't strain much. So let's add big charcoal. Is it big charcoal? So guys, our jiko is full of charcoal. Sasa unajua hii itatusukuma like itasukuma like ita take long time ndio ni add another charcoal. So acha tulete our beans then tuweke kwa jiko tuone. Haya tushaka. Let's close then tufunga after how long then. Wow, nishafanya nini? Nishaweka maharagwe yetu kwa sufuria. Sasa ni kuipatia time I get ready, then we do what next? Guess what? Kameshika. Jiko ikishika inanga shida. So guys, unaona the importance of warming water, boiling water in the heater, then adding in your anything that you want to boil, then weke kwa jiko. Itaanza kutokota faster. Yeah. Guess what? Jiko inanipeleka faster. Like even that 1 hour, I don't think. Maybe nipatia something like 40 minutes itakuwa ready. 1 hour no. Inanipeleka faster. Like nimeka makaa nimesubiria. Later roll, guys, guess what? Our beans is ready, as you can see. It's ready, by the way. Let me use my hands too. Yeah, guys. Yeah, animoto. Wow, but guys, imeiva. Nimetu 1 hour. Wow. This you can see ishaiva. Hatu unaona the soup inaka like strong, or what can I say, inaka like mzito, like yeah. So as you can see, acha nitoe, ishaiva. Yeah, then ni pack ingine, then ingine ni fry. Nana inaka fiti, iko ready. Yeah, in fact imeiva sana na inakaa poa. So nafaa nigawe. Hizi mnaona venye inakaa poa. And guys, remember sijaikaranga na inakaa fiti hivyo, na nikikaranga je niweke spices what. Anyways, hivyo ndio kumeenda na my beans are ready. What next? So guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video, and guys, remember to subscribe, to like, to comment. I love you. Bye bye.